presenters, and I believe you're noting.
District na ezirimu Hoima, Chikube, Kagadi hamwe na Borisa nazihika ahanyanja ya Albert erokubaganisa ihanga rya Uganda hamwe n'ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo. Hati omukiganiro cy'aba National Drug Authority hamwe n'abarukwatwaho ahanshonga omurembo rwa Hoima cyashangwa ngo abantu nyamwinje nibejonesa obuhanda obutari kwicerezebwa okurete mibazi etari kwicerezebwa omwihanga.
I believe that you're coming here and your continuous support and positive attitude towards our services implies that this collaboration is actually possible and we shall get to the bottom of these problems.
Christopher Ruzinda, manager wa NDA ahabwa burengero izoba bwa Uganda, yagira ngo abafere nibeshereka ahamyaro eri ahanyanja ya Albert.
We have advised them to get evaluations from the national academic bodies in the country to try to authenticate these documents. And once that is done, and we get the equivalent qualifications here, we shall now guide them on how to get the licenses. But most of them have qualification documents from Congo.
But how best can we collaborate more to ensure that these counterfeits are out of the market?
We need to work together because I can see the resident city commissioner. I think you work with the districts as well because they are the head of security in their respective areas. I can see the RPC who is taking the Albertine region. So it's very good to all of us to work together to make sure we give better services to our people.
Nathares Kabagenyi orukure by'amagara hamwe na Brian Kaboyo orumeya wa Hoima basima ekitongore cha NDA ahabo kugezaho kurwanasa obufere.
Those times people used to fear NDA. Like if you would see a car of NDA reaching near your drug shop, people would close. But which is not, because of the continuous sensitization and engaging everyone. I'm happy these stakeholders meetings are taking place. So information is being taken to the people.
Gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.